What does the future look like? It looks like a child sitting in a classroom full of dreams. In the heart of Baatsona, within the Tema West Municipal Assembly, stands a modest building with a meaningful purpose. Originally built in 2013 as a canteen through the kindness of a philanthropist, it evolved in 2016 into a kindergarten block, meeting a growing need for early childhood education. Today, Baatsona Tema West Municipal Assembly Primary and Junior High School remains the only public school serving this community. For many children here, this is where their journey begins and where their future is shaped. Over time, however, the kindergarten block began to show signs of wear. Windows needed attention, some louver blades were broken, mosquito nets had worn out, and the walls had faded in places due to age and moisture. While the structure remained functional, it was clear that the environment could be improved to better support teaching and learning. Because if we truly believe that our children are our future, then where they learn matters. And so a decision was made, not just to carry out repairs, but to create a more comfortable and welcoming space for the children and their teachers. During the Easter break, a dedicated team worked to refresh and restore the facility, improving safety, comfort, and the overall learning environment.
Although the renovation required an investment of funds, we believe it will greatly benefit the children's first experience of formal education and motivate the teachers to keep doing what they do best.
In fact, this renovation by TAGG is very crucial at this moment, and the school knows that it is going to benefit him. Because looking at how the school was looking and what you have brought, there's a facelift. So it's really going to help the school because there's going to be increase in enrollment. And we all know that that is very important when it comes to a school setting. And then the energy of the children coming to school, seeing your school building, laughing. They are kids, and so we don't need to take them off from anything. We also know that cleanliness is next to godliness. So this kind of renovation, painting, renovating, giving us that facelift is of great benefit to the school. First, children come to school, sometimes they don't come other days and all that. But since they came and saw that nice building, children are coming. We say to God be all the glory. Work done was good, work done was neat, work done is perfect, and we really appreciate that. I would like to say to Process and Plant Automation Limited that we are so grateful. In fact, we are short of words. We do not even know what to do. All we'll say is to God be all the glory.
Since 2015, TAGG has supported the Baatsona Primary and JHS School in various ways, from connecting the school to the national grid, donating teaching and learning material including furniture and books, and then to the Future Leaders Educational Fund, which caters for the educational needs of brilliant but needy children, supporting them right from KG all the way to when they graduate from JHS. We have also established the Infinity Club, a STEM club to promote STEM education. Our engineers serve as tutors on club days and engage learners in various ways to make science more engaging and interesting. Everything we do is driven by who we are as a company, our mission, our vision, our core values. Our mission is to improve lives, and evidently we are doing so beyond the engineering solutions we're known for. We have improved the lives of hundreds of children at the Baatsona TWMA Primary and JHS through our philanthropy and social interventions. And we are developing people just like our core values demand, and in sustainable ways too, because we believe in sustainability, and this is evident in everything we touch. We are proud of what we've achieved and grateful to our partners who support us in transforming lives. This project reflects a shared value and shared vision between the school and Process and Plant Automation Limited, demonstrating the positive impacts of collaboration and the passion to transform lives. With plans for more initiatives ahead, we look forward to continuing this journey of community support and development. In the end, this is not just for us, this is for Ghana, and Ghana wins.
Thank you, TAGG!